disparity. If you are loving our parents unconditionally, we should also love the universal creator, the God who is only one. We have only one sun, one moon, one water to drink, one air which we breathe. We do not have different water, different blood, different sun, or different moon, or different cosmos for every religion. So, the Creator is only one, be it any religion. Instead of sharing our hatredness towards other human beings, let us share our love, respect to every religion, to every human being, because ultimately humanity matters, not the religion, caste, or creed. Let us honor the Creator's creation, and only then we can love and live in peace. Thank you.